Hello dear learners, today we are going to discuss few of the MCQs from social pharmacy, that is health education and community pharmacy. From social pharmacy we are on the topic nutrition and health part 2. In part 1 we have covered few of the MCQs from the same chapter from nutrition and health, and in part 2 we are going to cover few of the MCQs. So to start with the first MCQ from part 2, the first question is, which amongst the given is essential amino acids? Whether it is methionine, tryptophan, phenylalanine or all of them? The correct answer is it is all of them. The essential amino acids are, which you can see, arginine, histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, okay, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan, valine, etc. And the trick to remember the essential amino acids we are going to see in the next question. The next question is, which amongst the given is not an essential amino acid? Whether it is methionine, tryptophan, phenylalanine or albumin. The correct answer is it is albumin, because albumin is not an amino acid, it is a protein which is composed of amino acids. Okay, it is plasma protein. Okay, so this essential amino acid is, like, the trick to remember the essential amino acid is, he is trying through female valleys. So what is this now? He is trying through female valleys. So he is for histidine, is for isoleucine, trying is for tri, that is tryptophan, through is for threonine. Okay, then female, there are three amino acids that are there in the female word. The phe is for phenylalanine, me is for methionine, L is for leucine. Okay, so he is for histidine, is for isoleucine, trying for tryptophan, through for threonine, female say phe for phenylalanine, me for methionine, le for leucine, and valley is for valine, and lys is for lysine. So all these are essential amino acids. Next question is, functions of protein include dash. Whether functions of protein include body building and repair, maintenance of body tissue, biosynthesis of important constituents, or all of them? The correct answer is it is all of them. Functions of proteins includes all. Like, first, these are the basic building blocks. They are involved in the repair and replace of tissues. They are involved in the transportation, formation, clotting and defense. Along with it, they are responsible for making your nails, hairs, eyes, skin, blood, bone, muscles. Like, it is having an important role in the constitution of all the body fluids like blood. Along with it, it is responsible for biosynthesis of plasma proteins, hemoglobin, antibodies, hormones, enzymes, etc. Along with that, they are also required for bodybuilding, repair and maintenance of body tissues, as well as they are serving as the source of energy, and along with it they are also responsible for cell mediated immunity, wherein the bactericidal activity of leukocyte is there. So these are the functions of proteins. Next question is, the sources of protein include dash. Whether animal sources, vegetable sources, both of them or none of them? The correct answer is it is both of them. Sources of protein include animal sources as well as plant sources or vegetable sources, you can call them as, which include, like, animal sources include milk, egg, meat, fish, poultry products, etc. And then vegetable sources include pulses, cereals, legumes, nuts, fruits, etc. Okay, so these are the sources of protein from animal origin as well as plant origin. Next question is, The superior source of protein is mainly from dash. Whether it is from animals, whether fresh vegetables, green vegetables, or none of them. The correct answer is it is animal source. Animal source is superior source compared to vegetable source or plant source, you can call it as. Why? Why it is so? Why animal sources are superior to vegetable sources? We will see that into the next question. So the next question is, animal source of protein is superior to the vegetable source because they contain all the essential amino acid, and since they contain all the essential amino acids, they are biologically complete. Or vegetable proteins lack few essential amino acid, or all of them. The correct answer is it is all of them. Animal sources of protein are superior to the vegetable sources because animal sources are complete, biologically complete, since they contain all the essential amino acids, and vegetable proteins, since they do not contain all the essential amino acid, they are comparatively less superior to the animal sources. So animal sources are having higher biological values compared to the vegetable sources. Next question is, biological value of protein is dependent on dash. Whether it is dependent on relative proportion of essential amino acid, whether it is dependent on relative proportion of minerals, whether it is dependent on relative proportion of nitrogen, or it is dependent upon the relative proportion of oxygen. The correct answer is it is essential amino acid. Relative proportion of essential amino acid will decide the biological value of protein, wherein we have seen the animal sources are more superior to the plant sources because they contain all the essential amino acid. So you can see here in the diagram, the animal sources protein biological value is more higher compared to the plant sources. Next question is, diet of mixed vegetable protein with high biological value applies the principle of dash. Whether it applies the principle of complementation, titration, nutrition, or neutralization. The correct answer is it is complementation. For those people who do not have the proteins from the animal origin, vegetarian peoples, they can complete their requirement of protein through mixed vegetable proteins intake. Like mixed vegetable proteins diet, like 18 veggie protein salad bombs to grow your biceps instantly. So mixed vegetable proteins will include the complete diet. That for vegetarians it is possible to have a diet of mixed vegetable protein which is having a high biological value, and it utilizes the principle of complementation. Next question is, adult protein requirement according to ICMR is dash. Whether it is 1 gram of protein per kg of body weight, 2 gram of protein per kg of body weight, 0.5 gram of protein per kg of body weight, or 1.5 gram of protein per kg of body weight. The correct answer is it is 1 gram of protein per kg of body weight according to the ICMR, that is Indian Council of Medical Research. So ICMR gives you the chart wherein you can see the highlighted part, adults, male and females, like it is for all the particulars given. It is if the adult body weight is considered averagely, it is 60 kg for males and 55 kg for females, then 60 kg के लिए 60 gram protein. It means what? It is 1 gram of protein per kg of body weight. Next question is, protein energy malnutrition is also known as dash. Whether it is also known as protein calcium malnutrition, whether it is protein calorie malnutrition, whether it is protein calcium maintenance, or protein calorie marasmus. The correct answer is it is protein calorie malnutrition, because protein energy malnutrition is also known as protein calorie malnutrition, wherein the energy is calculated with respect to calories. So, protein energy malnutrition is also known by the name protein calorie malnutrition, wherein energy or calorie is interchangeably used. Okay, it is for energy, calorie. Okay, so it is protein energy malnutrition or protein calorie malnutrition. So with this, we finish with few of the MCQs from Nutrition and Health Part 2. Stay tuned with us for Part 3, and you can refer to the more study material from our YouTube channel like Pharmacy Infoline, wherein you can get more MCQs, more theoretical topics, wherein we can have the MCQs possible for MSBT examinations as well as GPAT, etc. Thank you.